in previous rides, I'd like sit back or lean back occasionally just to like give my body a break and stretch. And I'd hear a noise that indicated that the seat post was trying to settle into the bike frame. And that's not what we want. We don't want movement, especially while we're riding, and we don't want movement of what should be stationary parts, especially when they deal with your fit and how you're riding. So that resolved. Now the big click that I was dealing with on the pedal, I'm more happy about this one, to be honest.